Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another video. I have a little beauty haul that I wanted to show you. Okay, so August wasn't great for me financially, but I did get a free donation pickup. I was able to pick up some new or lightly used makeup for free, and I have an unboxing of that, and that was amazing. So I ended up getting a lot of makeup in August actually, even though I couldn't afford any. I bought a little bit at the beginning of September, mostly with coupons and like special earnings on Amazon and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you real quick before I put it away. I did get 2 sets of lashes. I found out that Kiss is cruelty free. I wasn't sure if they were before, but that opens a whole new avenue for me with lashes. So they had some Halloween lashes at my pharmacy, and I had a coupon. So I got these with some gold glitter on the ends. They're super big and ridiculous looking, but I love them. And then I have a pair of all silver lash. Actually, I have 2 pairs of silver lashes, but I have one that looks like straight up tinsel. I have one that's kind of short. And then I got these, let me make sure I can see it, that are a little longer than the ones I had. I have worn the gold glitter ones. These I haven't worn yet. The gold glitter ones, I think the band was okay. Ardell is a little thinner, but these are a special edition, so like it might not be they're normal for Kiss. The only other makeup item, well, it's all beauty related. There's earrings in here. There's a bunch of earrings in here. The only other makeup item I got was, could you guess, is a NYX Lingerie XXL liquid lipstick. I have like 14 or 15 of these at this point. I just love the formula, and it doesn't budge usually. So I wanted to try a red. I hadn't gotten a red one. It sucks. It's hard to work with. It smells kind of funny, so maybe I'm wondering if this is like older, but I got it from the same seller that I always get it from on Amazon, so I don't know what's going on with that. But it's very smeary. It breaks down a lot easier, and I really don't like it. I've tried it 3 or 4 times, and each time was just really disappointing. It didn't feel the same as the others, so at least I don't have to buy more reds, because this one sucks, right? That's the right logic? Or do I need to buy more so I can see if they all suck? Anyway, this one's called Sizzlin. I'll put all the products below. But yeah, big disappointment, unfortunately. Like, some of my favorites are in this line, and then this one was just like, ooh, maybe not. But I'll keep trying. All right, and then the rest is earrings. I love earrings, as you can tell. Someday I'll show you this whole wall. It's actually the whole rainbow coming down. So I got some more. There are these rose petal earrings that are my absolute favorite, except for all my other favorites. I've gotten these earrings in every single color, and they once in a while will come out with new colors. And they have this lime green that they've never had before. They're big. Listen to the sound. They sound so cool, and they're like, I love them. I can use them for grounding and stuff. So I love this light lime green color. I literally have bought them in every color but one that I think, and they're amazing. They need to come out with a royal purple. It would look so pretty. Where's my blue ones? Look at this blue one. Look at how shiny and iridescent it is. Wouldn't this be gorgeous in a royal purple? That's the only color they seem to not have yet. Anyway, I got lime green, and I got this brown color, this tan. These are a little longer. They do come in different lengths, and they're long. They're like 3 inches. But I just think they're so pretty, especially when they're iridescent like the blue one is. So you can see that these are a little more matte, and this is a little more shiny. I don't care. I love them in any color. I was really excited to like be able to get them with couponing. I also have been really liking these sparkly sequiny hoops. And here, I just did my Project Pan video where I can't tell what color lipstick this is. That's a whole other thing you can check out. These were supposed to be light orange. I can't tell if they're pink, if they're coral, or if they're light orange. They're sparkly, and this is totally washing them out, but they're supposed to be orange. I don't know. But I also got the sparkly yellow ones, and at the very least, these are definitely yellow. Not sure where I'm even going to categorize these on my wall yet. I'm a big fan of Van Gogh, but I have to admit it's mostly because of that Doctor Who episode. But I saw these earrings that have the Starry Night, Van Gogh's famous painting, featured on them. They're a little smaller than I thought they would be, so it's harder to tell what it is. Like, you'd have to be right up here to tell that it's Starry Night. And of course, they're not going to stop moving. They just kind of look like blue rectangles, right? So there were other paintings like this that I was going to buy later when I could afford it. But they're really tiny. I mean, I love that I have them, but I don't know. I'm probably not going to buy others in that set, I guess. And then the last one is because spooky season's coming up, and I just thought this was really unique. They have skeletons, but they're unicorns. So, yeah, they're unicorn skeletons. Let me see if they'll come up close. Yeah. So not just a regular human skeleton dangly thing, not a, Nightmare Before Christmas earring, which I have too, because that's the best. Actually, he's right here. Can you see him? He's right here. Yeah. But these are skeleton unicorns of all things. So they just made me laugh, and they're big and silver and will go with stuff. So yeah, these are really fun. And that's it. Hey, just kidding. There's one more, and it just came in today or yesterday. It's October, but I technically bought it in September, so it's part of the September haul. It's Yaks. I just think they're funny and cute, and they're wooden and, like a cool brown earring, but they're Yaks, and that makes me happy. So thanks for watching this little mini haul. I didn't get as much in September, obviously, but that's okay. I couldn't really get anything in August, but I ended up with a super surprise gift thing. And I actually just got another free pickup that's incredibly huge and generous. So I'll be doing that video soon if it's not already out. Check out any of my other videos. Our channel FlyOn is art and animals. Sometimes it's anything in between. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It really helps us. It will, I promise. But thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye. Hold on, where'd the other one of these go? That's the wrong one. The other one doesn't want to come out.